Low tech, high impact. This is the key to negotiating with ease. The humble post-it note. As an entrepreneur, you probably go through stacks and stacks of these planning for your business. Podcast episodes, client manifestation, sales funnels, Instagram-worthy desk photos. We love them. But did you know that these wee little squares could also help you with your negotiations? Here's how. When we're figuring out what to ask for, what our first proposal is, it can be kind of a murky mess. And if we head onto the phone call or into the meeting like that, it's a murky mess that comes spilling out of our mouths. If the other person can't understand what we're asking for, how are we ever going to get it? We probably won't. Maybe we will, but it might take us playing a few rounds of 20 questions and all sorts of panic and stress and frustration as the other person tries to sleuth out what on earth we really want. I mean, really, no wonder we don't negotiate if that's the process we have to go through each time. Enter the post-it note. You'll know that your proposal is clear when you can write it on a single post-it note, not in some size 2 baby font either, normal handwriting. But fitting it on a single post-it means that you have distilled your ask to the critical elements. A fee increase to $700, no more than 2 revisions. Meetings via Zoom on Wednesday or Thursday afternoons. $3,200, a 50% deposit, and travel expenses covered. Short, sweet, crystal clear. If you're not quite sure what to be asking for in your business, I have a great free resource over on my site that will help you identify what you can ask for in order to make the changes you need to see. Check that out in the description box below. Now, before we get to this week's challenge, I also want to ask you to make sure you hit the like button and subscribe so that you're not missing a moment of the Smiley sessions. Your challenge for the week. Figure out what you're going to be asking for in the next 5 days. Give it a think, grab your post-its, and then get ready. Take the confusion and fuss and fumbling out of making the ask by fitting each of those requests on one of these babies. Got it? Good. See you next time.